Hello and welcome to Minitech. Today I will show you our conveyor belt configurator. Our configurator is divided into several sections. On the left you see a detailed 3D preview of your conveyor belt. Next to it, on the right, you can choose from numerous options. Our 3D view is flexible and adjustable. You can rotate the model with the left mouse button, zoom with the mouse wheel, and move it with the right mouse button. Below, you will find additional options to center the view. Activate the iMic to display a worker's height and switch between 2D and 3D view. You can also adjust the camera perspective and set the model to rotate automatically. Always on the far left, you see an overview for your current configuration. Together, we will configure a conveyor for tin cans. The configuration begins with the additional information. Here you provide important details such as the height of the conveyed goods, the total weight on the belt, and the temperature of the conveyed goods. These details are necessary to create a valid offer and must be confirmed before proceeding. Next, you select the system. Choose between a 45 or 90 system. The difference is that the 90 system can transport higher loads. Decide whether your conveyor belt needs a knife edge at the inlet or outlet side. The knife edge provides a seamless transition to the system or other conveyor belts. You can switch between menu items using the menu arrows. Clicking on the house icon will take you back to the main overview. Now, specify the dimensions in millimeters. The horizontal distance is the space between the two axle points. Each input directly affects the preview. You can also customize the belt width individually. Next, select the appropriate side guide. Various brackets are available, as well as a suitable side guide profile for your requirements. Now, choose the supports. You can select no supports, adjustable supports, or standard supports. On this page, set the inlet and outlet height for the conveyor belt. Angles up to 12 degrees can be created. In the next step, determine the drive unit. Choose the appropriate motor, mounting position, and filter by the desired belt speed. Now, select the conveyor belt. Choose from different belt types to find the best fit for your application. As a next step, select the intermediate plate. Options are available in aluminium or stainless steel, with stainless steel suitable for higher loads. Finally, you have the option to add personal notes. If you have special requirements or comments, you can record them here. You can change your selection at any time, as the system adapts accordingly. For example, if we change the horizontal distance, you will be informed that the roller support for the conveyor belt must be installed for this configuration. Once you have completed your configuration, you can immediately download a detailed product datasheet. Your configuration can then be saved in the inquiry list via bookmark. In the inquiry list, you can duplicate and edit your configuration. By clicking Open Configuration, you will see a 3D preview of your conveyor belt. You can also download the product datasheet anytime as a PDF via Configuration as PDF. If everything is correct, click Next and then Request Article. You will receive a quote for your conveyor belt shortly. A confirmation email with all relevant data will be sent to you. Additionally, you can also view all your inquiries anytime in your user account under the history. Our conveyor belt configurator saves time and offers maximum flexibility. Try it out and create your very own conveyor belt. Visit our website and start your configuration.